This is the story of how I became a successful flower farmer. And y'all, it didn't start here. It began with a small garden in the middle of the city with a girl who was barely a gardener. I met and married a guy that helped me grow my gardening dreams into an urban flower farm. My first decade of farming was on less than half an acre in the middle of the city. Lack of space and the right stuff led me to learn how to squeeze thousands of stems of flowers every week in season with few resources. I did it without a greenhouse, tractor, or much cash. I started thousands of seedlings indoors to plant outdoors in my supersized garden to support my 3-season cutting garden business. I found customers and learned how to sell my flowers. I did what I do now, work hard at the business I love, counting on persistence to push me over the speed bumps and to just keep doing the work. The harder you work, the more you realize what you thought was so hard is not even close to what you're capable of. It is easier to do the work than to fret over not fulfilling your heart's desire. Anyone can become a flower farmer if you do the right work.